Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harry. In this video we are going to learn how to separate names in Excel. So this is our Excel for beginner video number 24 and let's dive into it. Here you will see my full name and I want to separate this full name into two columns and with these separated commas. So I want the result like Smith and here I want Tommy. Like this I want to do. So this is simple way, but it's manual. And how can we automate this and save our time? So we'll first go to select the range. We'll select the range and this is my range from B3 to B5, and I will go to this data tab and then you will see here in data tools tab text to column. We'll click here and here you will see one pop-up is shown, and here we will see the preview of selected data. Our selected data is here, and now we will click on next, and here I want to separate it by comma, so I will choose comma and you can see comma is chosen, and I also want to remove the space, and I will click here space, and once I click space you can see this treat consecutive delimiters as one is automatic checked. So this will be our proper data as shown. If I unclick this space, here you can see the space is shown. So I want in proper way, just click space and comma by separated by comma and select next, and here the format will be my general because this is text, and here the destination we have to focus because my destination will be C3. Here is given B3 because once I click finish my result will replace in this B3, so I don't want to remove this my backup data. So I'll click here and remove this and click my result will show from here. That's all, and click on finish, and there's already data here. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Okay, done. Now you can see all the results are in proper way and separated by names. So this is the quick demo which you can apply in your dataset. It will help you all out and save so much time by entering manual. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates and see you in the next video.